Finally, the third day of the course, where we teach you the final touches and how to properly protect a vehicle once it's show ready. Before you get on to the final protection stages, we will first show you the right way to get glass crystal clear. Now, with any pesky residual debris off the glass, it's time to get coating, a crucial step to any good detail, ensuring your glass repels water and anything else the roads can throw at it. After the car is fully clean, we will show you those steps that put the cherry on top. Tyre dressings make sure that any car you are detailing looks box fresh. Arguably, the most vital stage in protecting any vehicle is paint coatings. Our detailers will tell you about a range of products that can protect any paintwork for several months, giving you a well-rounded view of the range of products at your disposal. What detail would be complete without a good wax? Our master detailers will show you how to find your inner Mr. Miyagi in no time. Wax on, wax off. Whilst the plastic on the vehicle isn't the most glamorous part, it too needs taking care of. On your final day of the course, you will be assessed by one of our master detailers on your performance. After passing, you will be awarded your certificate for the UK's only IMI accredited detailing course. Then it's time for you to fly the coop and go and put those new skills to use. Thanks again for watching. If you are interested in our Master Detailer course, follow the links in the description below. Please comment, like and subscribe for even more detailing videos. And remember, it's all about the details.